Hot dogs prepared this way can be harmful. Manufacturers don't mention this on the packaging. If you often eat hot dogs or serve them to children, pay close attention. Many people make this common mistake. We usually heat them in water, which seems simple, but there's one crucial detail. Hot dogs are made from mechanically separated meat, but not entirely. They also contain curing salt, nitrates, and nitrites, which means that heating them at too high a temperature can lead to the formation of carcinogenic compounds like nitrosamines. The water temperature when heating hot dogs should not exceed 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideally, the water should never reach a boil. High temperatures can cause carcinogenic compounds to form. That's why hot dogs should not be fried or baked. High heat can be just as dangerous. If a hot dog starts to split, it means the substances inside are beginning to react. The safest way to heat hot dogs is in water at around 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. If using a microwave, less than 30 seconds is enough.